Good morning, Arga. Why are you walking around like that?
Good morning. I think they moved our class. I cannot find class 8B.
What? Our class is the same, Arga. It is right here, like always.
But the door was closed just now, so I thought they changed rooms.
Haha, the door was closed because the teacher opened it late. Come, let us go inside.
Wait, why is not my chair here? I sat in the second row yesterday.
Oh, we cleaned the class after school, so we moved some chairs around a little.
Oh, I thought someone took my spot.
Do not worry. You can sit here next to me.
Thank you. I am still confused about many things.
It is okay. You are new. What class do we have first?
English, right?
Yes. Do you need help checking the schedule?
Yes, please. I do not want to make a mistake again.
Haha, it is fine. You're very funny today.
I am not trying to be funny. I'm just confused.
That is why it is funny. Hi, Arga. Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
So, you are from Surabaya, right?
Yes, I moved here last week.
Wow, Surabaya is cool. Is the food better there?
Maybe. The food here is also good.
Rena, please slow down. He has just arrived. I am not doing anything. I am just asking questions. Arga, are you good at math? You look smart.
I like math, but I am not very good.
He is just shy, Rena. He is actually good. Aha! I knew it. Smart and polite. You are rare, Arga.
Thank you.
What do you like to do after school? Do you play games? Do you play sports? Do you have a cat, a dog, Rena, stop. You are asking too much. I am a friendly person, Lisa. This is my natural talent.
It is okay. I will try to answer slowly.
Good. First question. Do you have a crush?
Huh? No, I do not.
Rena, that is not a school question. Okay. I will ask normal questions. So, do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
See? This is good information. I can use this later.
Use for what?
Secret. Do not listen to her, Arga. She is always like this.
Good morning, class. Today we will learn English. Please open your book to page 10.
Arga, what is your favorite food?
Rena, the class has already started.
I know, but I still want to know.
Rena, please focus. You can ask him later.
Okay, just one more question.
Only one?
Yes. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Good. We can be friends.
Rena, do you have a problem?
No, ma'am. No problem. I am very focused.
All right. Now, let us practice simple sentences. I need one volunteer.
Me, ma'am. I want to help.
All right, Rena. Please read the first sentence.
My name is Rena, and I like food. Yes, this is true. Arga, now it is your turn.
My turn?
Yes, Arga. Please read the next sentence.
My name is Ardga. I am new here.
Very good.
See, you are good at English too.
Calm down, Rena. He is already nervous.
I am okay. Just a little shy.
Do not be shy. We are your friends now. Arga, let us go to the canteen together.
Oh, okay. Do we walk now?
Yes, come on. We always go early before it gets crowded.
Arga, what food do you like in the canteen? Do you like fried rice? Noodles? Chicken? Do you eat spicy snacks? What is your level? Mild? Medium? Cry level?
I do not know. I eat normal level.
Rena, please let him breathe.
I am just collecting data, Lisa. Important data.
For what?
Secret. You will know soon.
Arga, do you want to try something? I can show you the menu.
Yes, thank you. Everything looks new to me.
Do not worry, Arga. I know all the good food here. I am the canteen expert.
She is not an expert. She just eats a lot.
Lisa, food is my hobby. Arga, are you good at science? At English? At drawing? At sports?
I like drawing.
Good. We can make a poster together someday.
Rena, Slow down. You are talking too much.
If I talk slowly, I will forget my questions.
It is okay. I will try to answer them slowly.
Arga, try this. This is my favorite.
Thank you. It tastes good.
See? I told you. I have good taste.
Rena, that is normal fried rice.
Good taste is good taste.